My name is Aviana, and I'll be guiding you into a deep state of restfulness so that you can fall asleep with a relaxed body and nervous system so that you can achieve a deep state of relaxation and rest. Begin by setting up your environment in a way that is best for sleep, making sure all the lights are off, indicator lights covered up. Make sure your phone is in a place that will not disturb. And then just start to settle into your space here, adjusting your body, your pillows, and your blankets in a way that is most comfortable. Feel your body here and make those tiny adjustments. And then check your body again here. Start to feel the whole body and just notice. Are there any small adjustments you could make here? With your hips, your neck, your shoulders, a little bit of attention right now will make sleep so much more comfortable. So take that time now. And once you're as comfortable as you can get, start to really feel into your body here. Feel into your breath. And start to notice where your tension is. And begin to let it drain away from your body, down into the bed beneath you as you relax your whole body here. Feel it softening. And find your breath. Feel how it moves in your belly and your chest. And notice how it moves in and out of your nostrils. The gentle flow of air down your windpipe, slow and consistent and steady in its natural rhythm here. And just stay with the breath. And can you let each exhale release more tension, bring more relaxation to the body? Each exhale sinking you down a little further into the bed beneath you. And just feel your whole body relaxing. And whether you're listening to this sleep story or you're on your own falling asleep, you can always just take a full scan of your body and help it to relax. Starting with the top of the head, relax your forehead, your eyes, and all the little muscles around your eyes. Let them go. Soften. Relax your tongue. Let it grow heavy in your mouth as your jaw softens. Your jaw drops down away and your teeth separate. Let it go. Let your head grow very heavy here. Your neck not working at all, completely soft, so that your head just sinks down into the pillow, into the bed. Relax your shoulders. Let them go. They always want to hold on to more tension. They're just doing what they do, holding you up. So let them know it's time to let go. No more work here, shoulders. You can completely relax and soften and sink down. Relax your chest, your upper back, your middle back, your low back, your whole spine softening, relaxing, releasing. Soften your belly, your hips and your pelvis, your glutes, let them go. Soften the tops of your thighs, the backs of your thighs. Soften your knees, your calves and your shins. Relax your ankles, the heels of your feet. Relax the tops of your feet and the bottoms of your feet. And all of your toes, just let them go. And now go to the space inside of your feet. And just feel it releasing and relaxing. The insides of your calves and knees. Inside of your thighs, all the space inside of your thighs, let it go. Inside of your hips and pelvis, softening. Inside of your torso, feel it breathing here as it gently softens and relaxes. All the space inside of your neck and your head. Relax. The space inside of your shoulders, arms and hands and fingers. And just feel your whole body here. The whole outside of your body and the whole inside of your body, completely relaxed and gently breathing here. And if your mind starts to wander, don't worry. Just bring yourself back down into the body and ask, can I release my shoulders even more? Relax my jaw. As I breathe here, is there anything else I can let go of here? As I drift off, and just let everything go.